Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today with the second part of my JOANN haul. I did post a day or so ago the first part of this haul, which were the items that I got using a gift card that I had for my birthday, and that included the Sunny Days paper pad 12 by 12, as well as some Valentine stickers, and I think, let's see, a spring collection 6 by 8 pads, and a variety of other things as well. But I didn't want to make that video too long, so I decided to split it up, and this is part 2. And these items I did not have a gift card for, but I do like this paper collection a lot, and I wanted to grab up some items before there weren't any left, so I'm going to share those with you. These are all Maggie Holmes Forever Fields products, and I'm just going to dive right into it. So I'm going to start out here. We've got the 48 ephemera pieces, and this pack here was regular $3.99, and I got it for $2.79, so somewhat of a discount, but not a huge discount. And I'm just going to give you a close-up there of what's inside. So there's a lot of cute things in there. We've got some frames, some tags, some butterflies, bows, and just some really fun, cute pieces in there. So I did grab 2 packs of those. And then I got this pack of puffy stickers, and you get 54 stickers in this pack. And let's see, this was also $3.99 on sale for $2.79. So I will give you a close-up there. Love the sentiments. You're perfect for adding to your projects. Super cute pieces, super cute pieces. Love the bows and the flowers here, hearts and the strawberries. Just a really pretty collection. And then I picked up the 102 flat sticker pack. And this one also was $3.99, and I got it for $2.79. Okay, so I'm going to give you a close-up of those. I do love the colors. I love the fact that it has bees in it and other little animals. Pretty. I love the tags and the flowers. We've got an old-fashioned camera here. And on the back side, we've got more of the animals and leaves. So cute. Love this collection. Very pretty. So yeah, so all of these, each one was $2.79 with the regular price of $3.99. And then I picked up 2 of the 6 by 8 pads. So I'm going to give you a quick flip through of these. And this was regular $7.99. I paid $5.59 for it. And let's see, this has got, oh, it says here, we've got 6 gold foiled pages, and I think there's probably 2 of each, and these are all one-sided pages as well. So we've got the cute tags and cut-aparts. Very sweet. Sorry about the glare there. We've got the foils in here, and my light that's over here is reflecting off of them. Pretty. I know you guys have probably all seen this collection before, but yeah, like I said, I just wanted to stock up on a few things while it was still in the stores and still get a little bit of money off. There's that beautiful foil floral there. So pretty. I love floral patterns. This has got some foiling in it as well. Love these. And the greens, right up my alley. This is pretty. I probably wouldn't use this as a whole scene, though. I would probably cut it up and use it just as background paper. We've got another beautiful foil here. And this one is a map, and it says Queensland. Very cool. A wood grain. And then we are back to and then the rest of this is just a repeat of the beginning. So that is the 6 by 8 pad. And like I said, I did pick up 2 of those. And then the last thing I got in this order is the project pad. And I have not purchased one of these project pads before, so this will be interesting. So let's see. We've got gold foil in here. You get 24 sheets. These are 12 by 12. They include stickers, pattern paper, and cardstock. All right. So this ought to be fun. And I believe these are all one-sided as well. Yes, they are. So here is the sticker sheet. And I think these stickers actually match this. Yeah, because if you look here, And then look at this, it's the same exact thing. And if you flip this over, it's this side matches this one. So yeah, I got doubles. So that's great. I love that. Then you've got some alphas and some numbers, and then you've got some washi strips down here. These are all stickers. We've got these cut aparts. And this beautiful, it's a bluish green background with gold foiling paisleys on it. We've got the pink and gold hearts. Okay. And then we have tags here, beautiful tags, love them. Again, there's the bee. Really, really pretty. And we've got this beautiful strawberry pattern. And this is pretty cool. Love that. So some of these actually match the 6x8. I don't think this was in the 6x8 though. This is really pretty. And then we've got this one. This one was in the 6x8. We've got the cameras, the beautiful roses on the checked background. We have this. This is not my favorite, but I'm sure I'll find a use for it. And then I think we have solid colors back here for your projects. We got black and blush. Is this two of the same? Oh no, one's lighter than the other. So yeah, this is more of a darker dusty pink. We've got brown and this kind of like a gold color. Got a dark green and a kind of a grayish blue and this taupey color. And that's it. That's the project pad. So that's what I've got for the rest of my Joann hauls. I probably will not be going into the store anymore. It's just too sad to go in and see a store that's been cannibalized. I actually placed this order and the previous one, I placed it online. I didn't even go into the store, and it took forever for everything to come to me, and it always comes piecemeal, and that's even before the stores started closing. That's just the way the Joann shipping would run. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little haul here. I love the Forever Fields paper collection. I hope to do some crafting with this summertime and maybe into the fall. I think it's perfect for that time of year. Thanks again for stopping by and hanging out with me for a little bit. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.